Fostering a positive workplace culture is essential to attracting and retaining top talent in your shop. This involves creating an environment that prioritizes effective management, empowerment, recognition, and opportunities for growth. Let's talk about some strategies for continual employee engagement. Managers play a pivotal role in shaping company culture and setting the tone for the organization. Their leadership style and attitude directly impact employee morale and productivity, and oftentimes during the hiring process, candidates evaluate not only the job role, but also the company's values and culture that match with their own. When you establish a welcoming culture, it will almost certainly lead to increased employee satisfaction and productivity. If you don't already have one, set a clear mission statement that serves as a guiding principle to keep employees focused and motivated. For younger generation employees, showing them a sense of purpose and providing they can make a difference is crucial to job satisfaction. To embody the qualities of an ideal boss, prioritize traits that make you approachable and show that you're honest and willing to support. Active listening and adaptability are essential for addressing employee needs and concerns, and recognition and empowerment further contribute to a positive work environment, which forms a sense of validation and ownership among your employees. Building your culture should always be a goal, but it starts during the hiring process, as a cultural fit should be prioritized to maintain your cohesive team dynamic. One negative hire can disrupt an entire workplace culture, so establishing standardized hiring procedures helps identify candidates who align with the company's values and goals. Creating a positive workplace culture requires ongoing commitment and effort from both management and employees. When you prioritize effective management practices, empowerment, and recognition, you can cultivate an environment where employees thrive and contribute to your shop's long-term success. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.